Hi, lovers of Life at Nature. We help you to reverse chronic incurable diseases through the science of food, collaborative ideations and formulations of a drugless natural cure healing system. Welcome to Life at Nature. Remember, your nature is your future. Prakriti or Mother Nature is composed of 5 great elements or Panchamahabhutas, namely Prithvi, Aap, Tej, Vayu and Akash, or earth, water, fire, air and space. All these Panchamahabhutas are also forms our system and our body. Today, let us discuss how these Panchamahabhutas manifest in our body. The first being Prithvi Tattva, or the element of earth, which gives our body structure and forms. These manifest as organs, bones, muscles and tissues. Second, the Jala Tattva, or the element of water. Our body is made up of 70% of water. The cells, the lymph, blood, saliva, mucus, digestive juices and enzymes and cerebrospinal fluid represents the water element within us. Third, the element of Agni or fire. Element of Agni is represented in the form of digestive fire, metabolism, digestion, and it forms for the vision and light. Fourth Tattva is Vayu Tattva or the element of air. Element of air is present in our body in the form of breath itself. The ancient rishis called this element of air is the primordial source of life. The air is represented in our body as the form of motion or movement. It allows our breaths to move, it allows our blood to transport within cell to cell, and it allows our lymphatic systems to move from one place to the other. The fifth tattva is space or element of ether. The element of space is represented in our body as the empty spaces of intestines, the empty spaces in between the cells and hollowness of the bladder and the lungs. In order to understand life and nature, the two important entities of our life, we need to understand the Panchamahabhutas or 5 great elements and the representation of these Panchamahabhutas in our system. Prakriti is made up of these Panchamahabhutas, and also our body is made up of these Panchamahabhutas, and the correlation or the connection between these two forms the basis of naturopathy. I hope you have enjoyed the information. If it does, please forward this information to your friends and family members. Also, subscribe our YouTube channel, comment below if you have any doubts, and press the bell icon so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. I'll meet you in my new video. Till then, take care, stay safe, be healthy. Thank you.